Hello everyone. Today we are going to see grammar topic voice. Voice is a form of sentences that tells whether the action is done by the subject or the effect of the action is received by the agent. Types of voice. There are two types of voice. One, active voice, and two, passive voice. Let's understand active voice. When the subject acts, the sentence is said to be in active voice. In active voice, subject is active. Subject does an action. Let's understand through example. Example is, he writes a letter. Here, he is a subject, writes is a verb, a letter is a object. Here, what is action? Writes is a action. Who is doing action? He is doing action, means he writes. So here he is active. What is he? He is a subject. It means in active voice, subject does an action. Let's learn passive voice. When the effect of action is received by the agent, object, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. In passive voice, object is active, means object does action. For example, a letter is written by him. Here, a letter is a subject. But here in this sentence, subject is passive. Subject is not active. The action is not done by the subject. Rather, the action is done by the object. In this sentence, action is written. But this action is done by the object. And when the object is active, it is said that it is the passive voice. While making active to passive, there are some changes in pronouns. We must learn them. What are the changes? I converts into me. We converts into us. You converts into you. He converts into him. She converts into her. It converts into it. They converts into them. First, we are going to discuss simple tense in active to passive. First, simple present tense, 2, simple past tense, and 3, simple future tense. Let's understand through examples simple tenses. Example is, she sees a movie. It is simple present tense. When simple present tense is in active voice, how to convert it into passive voice? Answer is, a movie is seen by her. Here in passive voice, a movie is a subject, but a movie was object in active voice. Here it is a simple present tense, so here is. Then sees, third form, seen. So seen by, this action is done by subject, she converts into her. So passive voice is, a movie is seen by her. Example number 2. They saw a movie. Here it is simple past tense. The same thing is there. A movie was. Why here is was? Because it is a past tense. Simple past tense, and movie it is a singular noun. So a movie was. Saw's V3 form seen. Seen by, this action is done by they. It means they converts into them. So passive voice is, a movie was seen by them. Example number 3. He will see movie. It is a simple future tense. Students, you have to see now, when simple future tense is in active voice, how to convert it into passive voice. Same thing is here. Answer is, movie will be seen by them. Movie, it is a subject, but it was object in active voice. Will be, sees, third form, seen by, action is done by he converts into him. Next one is continuous tense, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. We can make active to passive when tense is present continuous and past continuous. we cannot make active to passive when tense is future continuous. Let's understand through examples how to convert active voice into passive voice when tense is present continuous and past continuous. For example, she is watching movie. This statement is in present continuous tense. Let's see how to convert active voice into passive voice. Passive voice is movie is being watched by her. Here movie is a subject, it was object in active voice. Movie is singular, so is. There is V for ing form of the verb, so we used being. V3 form of watch is watched, so here written watched. This action is done by she, so she converts here into her. So answer is movie is being watched by her. Students, you have to remind it, when there is a continuous tense, we must use being in passive voice. Second example, they were doing work. It is a past continuous tense. When past continuous tense is in active voice, how to convert it into passive voice? Let's see. Work was being done by them. Here work is a subject, it was object in active voice. Work is singular, so was. Doing, it is a V4 or ing form of the verb. So do's V3 form is done. Action is done by they, so they converts into them. So answer is work was being done by them. Now we are going to discuss perfect tense. In perfect tense, there are three tenses. 1. Present perfect tense. 2. Past perfect tense. And 3. Future perfect tense. When in active voice, these three tenses are used. How to convert them into passive voice? Let's see through examples. For example, active voice. She has done work. It is a present perfect tense. When sentence is in present perfect tense, how to convert into passive voice? Passive voice is work has been done by her. Here work is a subject, it was object in active voice. Has been done by, action is done by she, so she converted into her, so by her. Second example, they had watched a program. This is past perfect tense. Passive voice, program had been watched by them. It means when there is a present perfect tense, we can use has been or have been, and when there is a past perfect tense, we can use had been. Next one is modal auxiliaries. When modal auxiliaries are given in the statements, how to convert them into passive voice? Let's understand through examples. Example number 1. He can play cricket. Passive voice, cricket can be played by him. Next example, she could do work. Answer means passive voice, work could be done by her. Next one is imperative sentence. When imperative sentence is in active voice, how to convert into passive voice? Let's understand through examples. Example number 1. Open the door. Passive voice, let the door be opened. It means when imperative sentence is in active voice, we must start passive voice with let, then object, then be, and then V3. So let, subject is the door. Let the door be, V3 form of open, opened. So answer is let the door be opened. Example number 2, write an essay. It is an imperative sentence, so we must begin passive voice with let, subject and essay, be, V3 form of write, written. So answer is let an essay be written. Example number 3, change the voice. It is an imperative sentence, so we must write passive voice with let the voice be changed. Next one is interrogative sentence. When interrogative sentences are in active voice, how to convert them into passive voice? Let's understand through examples. Example number 1. Why did this? When in active voice there is a question, in passive voice also there must be question. So passive voice is, by whom was this done? Question number 2. Why did your brother write such a letter? Passive voice is, why was such a letter written by your brother? Question mark. Now I would like to give some questions in assignment for practice. Students, you must solve these all sentences in your classwork. Sentence number 1. We played chess. Sentence number 2. You had written a story. Sentence number 3. Our friends must read newspaper. Sentence number 4. Conduct the debate. Sentence 5. I shall motivate you. Sentence number 6. My mother encouraged me. Sentence number 7. He plays an important role. Sentence number 8. He is writing a story. Sentence number 9. My grandmother would tell me stories. In this way, we have seen how to convert active voice into passive voice. Thank you.